Ano ka kalabogin? Ah!
Ano na? Ayun na. Sakto, anak.
Mahangin ni.
Ano?
Like kani. Falling down, falling down.
Inside the line. Tarungan na yung mga pag-color. Tarungan na.
Mom. Mama.
Ito na yung color sa hair.
What?
What's the color of the hair?
Black.
Yung black. Yung may color of blue. Papa, you want to color Papa entire blue?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tarunga. Tarunga og color. Pakit ako. Slowly lang. Up, down. Tarunga.
I think you look like that. Is it safe?
This is the shirt. The color Papa shirt, blue. How about the pants? Pick a color for the pants.
It's blue.
No.
Why?
Pick another color.
This.
Okay.
This is color.
Pants lang. Tarunga ang color. Inside the line. Sige. Ayan na. Sige. Ano ang arm? Ang pants.
Pants. It's blue. We're almost there. It's only one.
Continue.
Only-
Inside the line. Up, down. Slowly lang. Sige. Tarunga.
No.
Done.
Sleepers.
You want to color the slippers?
Yeah.
What color?
It's showing green.
Okay. Green din na. Yeah, that's good.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Next, baby girl. What do you want to color her hair? Color?
Black.
Okay, just the color black.
Okay. This is
Ang hair ha. Sige, color the hair. No. Inside the line. Up, down.
up down.
It's inside the line.
Pink.
Ang hair sa hair.
Okay.
Ayan.
One.
Sige.
Okay.
Inside the line, slowly.
No, it's a big flowers.
Because it's part of her hair. Sige. Sunod. Inside the line, slowly. Alright. How about the dress?
Pink.
What's the color?
Pink.
What's the color pink?
I don't know. I'm a pink.
Sige. Color ang dress. Ang dress raha. Ayun na nagkakuan. Sige. Ang dress. Ayaw ang face. Ang dress. Inside the line. Slowly. Next ulit, ang baby girl. Si Ading. You want to color Ading's dress pink also?
Ikaw.
Yeah. What do you want to color Ading's dress? Sige, inside the line na ka. Sige, go.
Huh?
Go.
Ako.
Color na.
Color. Mama. Someone's statue. Mama.
Okay.
Someone's statue.
Touch me.
That. Si mommy statue.
Kani? Si Kuya?
Kuya, no, siya ko yung
Si
mana.
Akloy na? Sige na, what color siya kanina ni Akloy?
Blue.
Sige, blue.
Oh, that's a blue.
Ayaw mo ito sobra. Sakura ko. Sige. Inside the line. Slowly. Slowly. Hindi ka mo lapas. Ay, nilapas na. Do it with that way.